Well, here's another little one. This one's right off the road. A little bit better. See if we can hike around. Oops, sorry, wobbly camera. I don't have a really good way to hold on to it. Just finding the places that might be nice to hike. Hey, little birdie. I hear that in the summer you can't see nothing because the vegetation's so thick, so I'm sharpening up my machete. Nothing's gonna stop me. But here, looks pretty, huh? Can you see that up there? I'll explore. I'll walk up this river on another day. I've been hiking around a couple hours already, getting tired. Gotta shake off them winter bugs, get the cobwebs out. But this is La Petite Jean River Homestead Addendum. Come on out and visit. Bring your guitar or other musical instruments and let's make some music. Ciao for now.